Dear mariners, welcome to my channel The Sailing Beast. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on upcoming videos. Also you can visit the Sailing Beast blog at thesailingbeast.blogspot.com. Blog link is mentioned in description. In this video we will discuss COLREG 7, MMD written and oral exam questions and answers. Rule 7 Risk of collision. Q. What would you use to determine a risk of collision? Answer. Compass, radar and visual bearings being the most reliable. Q. What scale is your radars on? Answer. 6 and 12 miles. Q. Why is your radar on the 12-mile scale? Answer. For early detection of targets. Q. You've taken one radar plot of a target, would you alter with this plot? Answer. No. Q. You've taken a second radar plot of a target, would you alter with this plot? Answer. No. Q. Why would you not alter with 1 and 2 plots? Answer. Rule 7 Part C says not to rely on scanty information, especially scanty radar information. Q. What are the dangers with radar plotting? Answer. Time is being wasted and could put your vessel into a collision course. Q. If the bearings are steady, is there a risk of collision? Answer. Yes. Q. If the bearings are not steady, could there still be a risk of collision? Answer. Yes. Q. What situations? Answer. With a large vessel, a long tow or a close quarter situation. Q. If plotting a vessel towing another vessel with the length of tow being 2 miles long, what are you going to take bearings of? Answer. The stem of the towing vessel and the stern of the vessel being towed, everything in between is a risk of collision.